Today I've also got the new topic as my everyday routine. Today I got about crop growing skyscrapers. This is one of the interesting topic because today we can know about the planting without soil and also one of the great methods for producing a lot of vegetable in a shortened place. So, what is about skyscrapers? It's a building, right? Right this, but it is not properly made at glass, but not also covered by plastic. It's a type of farm in which the vegetables are cultivated. First of all, let's know about the processing. First of all, they take the foam type of things, means which absorb water. You know that it's very. I think it's not so much smooth to touch, right? At first, they take foams and make a square shape. In one word, a sponge. Then they make a little hole on that, and after that they use many kind of chemical in the water that have a lot of nutrients that can make a plant grow up. So then they give it in a machine, and then it's seeded by the seeds, and after that the plant grows. And when the plant grow a little, then they give into a place in which there are higher protein, for which the plant become more big. And after that, these big plants are gone to the shop and become sold. The plant growing, it can also be lettuce, it can also be carrot, but this interesting thing is that they doesn't use any kind of soil. Without soil, this is done. During that, in the 2050, the crops will need a lot. You have to cultivate crops more than the 1.5 of Brazil. Means you can think that how big place is needed then. During that, why America hasn't have any kind of lackage on vegetable, because they has, think about an example, they have this skyscrapers building like this in institution 2 or 3 in a city. Then will there really be any kind of lackage of the vegetables in the then? They also produce cow milk. Do you know that? They also farm like this big farms. And so for this reason they are become reaching day by day. So they are also earning a lot more than another country, which is very interesting, right? So do you know that the crop growing skyscraper is a method of cultivating many crops in a particular space. So as this technique, many of the people in the world are trying this. Do you know that in the 2050 we have to use a lot of growing skyscrapers, because then the shelter will be more, the urban areas will be covered by shelter and hospital, bank, etc. Then no more cultivatable field will there. Then the people will take a decision to make artificially cultivating vegetables, cow milk, meat, and also that is important for our life. They will also make for cultivating the crops like the corn and also fish and also a lot of things like this. So actually by that skyscrapers, one day Bangladesh will also develop a lot, but the method of skyscrapers till now hasn't come in Bangladesh. For this reason, the Bangladeshi people doesn't know what is this. So we should also follow that how to build that and also cultivate a lot of vegetables than another countries. because it can help us in our economy a lot. During that, the fruit can be also cultivated by these skyscrapers. So I think this idea is very great. And if you make an industry like this, then your profit will be more and more. And during that, the greenhouse is effectful for the environment. But this skyscraper is not so much effectful because there are hues of the plants there. So there is no leakage of the oxygen of the food of the fruit flowers. It will be a great idea if we use skyscrapers. And this was the topic today, and I hope this will be very grateful for us, because one day in nothing so much late in 2050 every country in the world have to use these skyscrapers. Until now in the world, America has the most of the skyscrapers, which is very well known. And I hope this skyscrapers is very much benefitable or advantageous for our. So we have to do a lot of project for the well grow or development of skyscrapers, and cultivate a lot of crops and sell that, and also take as our important that the price will be also decreased day by day of vegetables. So try to do our fellow this way, and I hope it will be great. And that was all for today. Thanks a lot for your patience listening. Bye.